So guys,
Hey, what's up, y'all?
what's up? You want to do something? You want to watch the news or something?
I get. Oh no.
No!
Yes! Okay, let's do it.
All right.
Hi, welcome to Channel 7 News here. I'm Kylie, and I'm your host.
She looks
For
familiar.
today's topic, we're talking about this vicious dog that everybody is on the loose. Everybody calls it the Beast. Yes, it could be in your neighborhood. Everyone, be alert. Be aware. Evacuate your house.
Evacuate?
There's this young lady over here that got attacked by this beast.
Oh my gosh,
I'm about to interview her.
Young ladies. Here we go.
Hi, you got attacked by this beast? Yeah, you better hide your kids, better hide your wife. They coming at you.
It's coming after everyone. Oh my gosh, pretty. What do we do,
It's
guys?
vicious.
I don't know. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off.
Turn off the news. Turn off the news. Can't take it anymore.
Guys,
Y'all, I hear something. Y'all hear that?
What's that noise? What is that?
Oh no. Y'all hear that? What if it's?
Bang girls, smash bang fusion. Okay, I'm good.
Alright, together.
Gotta be calm. We can beat this beast. Hello? What was that?
Rawr.